Hi everyone, in today's video we will the new smart glasses released by BleeqUp and we are going to check it out. Let us open it up and see what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one quick guide card. A black pouch is included to store the glasses securely. Inside the pouch users will find the BleeqUp AI smart glasses. A charging cable to charge up the AI glasses is also included. One cleaning cloth is provided to clean the glasses. A user manual is also provided to users, all packed nicely in the product packaging. On first impressions, the BleeqUp AI smart glasses look really advanced and modern. It feels sturdy and durable with the lens and frame secure in place. I feel it presents an elegant and classy look with the camera in front and the lens, which has a nice reflective design. The camera can record videos or take photos when I want it to during use. When I wear it on, it feels really comfortable and fitting on my nose and ears. It rests nicely in place and doesn't feel very tight. Good that it is comfortable to wear on. Before use I will charge it up. Very simple, just plug into a charger and attach the cable to the glasses and the charging indicator light will turn on showing it is charging. Once charging is done, I will download and launch the BleeqUp app. On the first page it gives a summary of my past activities. Let us now connect to the glasses. All I have to do is simply follow on screen instructions to connect to it. All done, it is connected. A cool feature is it has an intercom system where if enabled I can use it to communicate while doing my sport activity. Once the activity starts I can see key stats like speed, distance and activity duration, all recording nicely with the BleeqUp app. Once finished it will show key statistics of my activity session on the first page tab. Now a cool feature is I can review my videos or photo media files in the glasses on the app, connect to it and playback. Look at the images I captured during my usage with the glasses, so vivid and clear. The wide-angle camera lens ensure images are wide-angled to capture more. Great 16-megapixel photo captures. A cool feature is that it can record up to 5 hours of continuous video recording if you choose to do so, really long for your activity. There is touch control on the glasses, so by sliding your finger up and down you can control, for example, the volume level of the music playing with the glasses. It is foldable glasses for better usability. It has built-in 4-speaker open-ear audio to play music without blocking your ear hearing as it plays openly. Cool, right? A cool feature the glasses have is that in-app, I can do AI auto edits where the app can use AI to edit my videos recorded. AI could do the job of video edits now. Amazing. Overall, I find the BleeqUp AI smart glasses a really cool and innovative glasses for users to use it for their sport activities, to record media files like videos or snap photos with the built-in camera that captures clear and vivid shots. If you want to find out more about this glasses, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.